Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm making big Jamaican breakfast. Sometimes you feel for some Jamaican breakfast, so yeah, and when you got a family they're Jamaican, you're gonna want to do a big breakfast, right? It's not all the time, but yes. So today guys, we're gonna do porridge, fried dumpling, plantain, baked beans and cabbage. So this is a whole mood. So let's jump straight into the video guys. So over here guys, I'm doing some oats porridge. In this pot I've got my coconut milk, and this is fresh coconut I'm using. So now I'm gonna go ahead guys, and I'm gonna add some cinnamon to my coconut, and I'm also gonna add some tablespoon sea moss also to my porridge, because I like to put sea moss in there. Yes, and I'm gonna combine everything now, okay, before I add my oats in. So now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my oats mixture in. I'm not making a lot of porridge, and I'm gonna mix it in because I don't want it to get sticky guys. And I'm also gonna use some Nature's Charm condensed milk to sweeten it. You don't have to, but yes, I want to. And this is gluten-free oats also. So I'm gonna put this on low heat guys. Stir, keep stirring, and then I'm gonna put it on low heat, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some fried dumplings. So we're moving along now guys to the fried dumpling. So over here guys, I've got my pot on and I've got some oil in there. So I'm gonna allow that to hot for a bit, like for about 2 minutes before I start to add the dumpling in. So guys, over there I got my sea moss oats porridge. So now that the oil is hot guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my dumpling in, but make sure your hands are clean, and make sure that the oil is not too hot, because you don't want the dumpling then to burn, right? So yeah, we're just gonna add it in now, because you don't want it to burn. Some's not cooked and some's cooked. Who doesn't like a good fried dumpling? Every Jamaicans do, right? I love fried dumpling, but I don't eat it often. Only if I feel for a big breakfast, but not all the time. So I'm gonna go ahead guys, and I'm gonna add all the dumplings in, and then yeah, when I come back you will see what they look like. So guys, I add all my dumplings in and they've been fried now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sweeten my porridge. So I'm using some Nature's Charm condensed milk, and I'm using like a tablespoon. I don't want it and a half. I don't want it to be too sweet, because you know it's got the coconut milk in. So yes, and I'm gonna mix it together, and I'm gonna turn this off because this is done. Yes, this is a nice big breakfast for all my Jamaican family who love to have a big breakfast now and then. It's not all the time, because for me, I don't like to have too much big breakfast. I just like something healthy and simple, and that's just me. So guys, the reason why I leave this spoon in the porridge is because I don't want it to boil over, even though it's on low heat. Alright, So we're gonna go ahead now, guys, and we're gonna flip over the dumplings. And guys, if you're wondering what flour I'm using spelt flour. Yes, and I didn't add any salt to my flour. So for those of you who've been following me a long time, you know I'm not a salt person. I try to keep my food, everything natural and ital. So yes. So I'm gonna allow this side to cook for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out. And the porridge already done. So over here, guys, yes, this is my sea moss oats porridge. So guys, now that the dumpling is finished, I'm gonna remove them from the oil, and I'm gonna add them on some paper towel to get the rest of excess oil from there. So yes, I'm just gonna take them out, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my plantain. So I'm gonna fry the plantain, yeah, in the same oil that I fried the dumplings in. They're so soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Alright, guys. So in the same oil, as I said, we're gonna add our plantain. Plantain going in. Yep. And I'm gonna allow these to fry until it's golden. So guys, my plantain is all brown, it's golden how I liked it. I'm gonna remove them, put them in some more paper towel to get rid of the excess oil. Right. And then we're gonna move along to our baked beans, right? Yes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this pot, put it over here. Guys, don't mind the mess on the stove. I'm gonna clean that, and I'm gonna add my pot here for my baked beans. So now guys, I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to the pot. Not a lot, just to saute the seasoning. I'm just gonna add this amount of coconut oil to the pot, just to saute the garlic and onions and stuff. So I'm gonna add the garlic in, purple onion and some green spring onion. Just simple to fry up my baked beans. Normally you can make your baked beans from scratch, but today I won't. I was gonna use a canned one, and it's organic. So now that's my seasoning sauteed, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add it in a baked bean, and I'm using this brand. Oh there. Just like this. So yeah, you can feel free to go ahead, do your baked beans. I'm also gonna add some black pepper, and of course some cayenne pepper because I like spice. Also some cayenne pepper. And I'm gonna combine everything together and leave this to cook for about 2 minutes before I take it off. So my baked bean is cooked, guys. Yes, it's cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plate up. So guys, this is the final product of my breakfast. Fried dumpling, baked beans, plantain and cabbage, and also the porridge. I finished that already. So this is a nice Jamaican breakfast for all my Caribbean Jamaican people who likes their breakfast big sometimes. So guys, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say thanks for the support, and thanks to each and everyone who've been here from day one. Thank you guys for the support. Appreciate that. And guys, please look out for other content coming soon. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment down below, share, and all the good things them. So guys, I see you in my next video. I just want to say thanks for watching. Until then, guys, bye.